Hey, it's Chuck with CFS with a quick tip on how to replace the handle on a Coilmac punch. Today we'll cover just how easy and quick it is to change the Akiles CoilMac's handle. It's important to remember that the screw for the handle rotates the opposite traditional righty-tighty direction, so you'll need to twist right or clockwise to loosen it in order to pull the handle off. Grab your replacement handle and slide it onto the square shaft, making sure that the handle is pointing up toward the ceiling. Next, replace the retaining screw, again remembering that it tightens the opposite direction, so twist left or counterclockwise. Once tightened, give it a test and you're back in the punching business. So that's it for this quick tip. For details on anything bindery related, visit cfsbindingsupplies.com or feel free to email your questions to info@cfsbindingsupplies.com. Thanks for watching.